Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial for Big Bank. Hope you guys learn a lot from it, and then let's get started. Alright, the very first move, what you're going to do is you're going to step on your left while scooping with an inward motion with your arms. So it's going to be one and, or actually let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So whatever you're doing on the left, you're also doing on your right. So we're going from the beginning again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to step on your left. And then step on your right and smack. Rotate. And then you take a small hop to your right. So rotate. And. So it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then after you hop back, you're going to step on your left. And then you're going to cover your mouth to your right. Then your left. Down. And then throw while leaning back onto your right leg. So it's going to be, the leg for that is alright, so pretend like you just hopped just now. Something, something, man, don't talk to me. So after you're done with that, you're kind of going to take a slight pause to kind of reset again. And then you're going to do this little groove thing. So to start it off, this isn't the actual move, but this is to drill it for your sake and for mine. So you're going to start grooving, so 1, 2, 3, 4, step, 2, 3, 4, jump, 2, 3, 4. So after you do the something, something, man, don't talk to me, reset, 1, 2, 3. And once you've done 3 of those, you're going to hear a bass beat. So slide to your left, hold down. 1, 2, 3, boom, clap. And then you're going to step on your right on the same bass beat. 3 and 4. So your arms are going right, left, right. So 3 and 4. Step back with your left. Step and then bounce up. It's almost like that initial motion, but only you're going up with it instead of down. So the whole sequence should have been something, something, man, don't talk to me. You just follow all the friends, don't talk to me. Boom. 3, 4, 5, 6. Next move, you're going to step off your right while punching with your, also with your right. Boom. Boom. Then you're going to roll up your hands twice away from you. So roll it up. Down. So the whole sequence should have been, start from the throw. Something, something, man, don't talk to me. You just follow all the trends, don't talk to me. Boom. 3, 4, 5, 6, punch, roll it up, down. So after you do like the throwing motion, what you're gonna do is step with your right foot. Down. You can step up with your right foot and cross your arms. And then jump out and explode. And then cross again with your left. And then step out with your right. So it looks something along the lines of roll it up, down, cross, out, cross, step. Then the very next move, you're going to scoop down, your right, pull up, bass, bass. So you kind of grab your shirt and then let go. And then what you're going to do is you're going to step up to your left and kind of do this little scooping motion. Almost like how we did right here. Only it's like flat hand and you're kind of like, it's less of a motion and you're not sticking as long. So it's going to be, what was I? Step, scoop, bass, bass. I don't care, or clap, don't care. You can step back to your right behind your left, here, and then you do these, I'll do the coffee symbol. So I'm gonna rotate twice. So it's boom, 1, 2. You're gonna pull back with your right while stepping back with your right. So 1, 2. Then you're gonna look to your left and kind of rotate your arms with your right under and your left on top. So it's, we just did 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you're doing is you're hitting like you're almost recoiling off a wall that's like right here. So it's boom, and then grab. For your next move, you're gonna rotate your right, rotate your left, and then throw it up like you're throwing dollar bills. So it's right, left, throw it up with your leg. Don't raise your leg too high. Don't be doing this thing. Don't be doing like that thing. Just enough to get your leg up to make it noticeable. So right, left, throw it up, and as you're coming down, you're gonna step with your left, look left, step to your right, look at your finger. So this is a pointing finger, pointing up. So the sequence from there looks like, I'll start from the scoop actually. Scoop, bass, bass, clap, don't care, crash the ghost, 2 friends, 2 crips, you be doing the most. Rotate, rotate, up, don't blow. And then I think the lyrics for that are, for that last section are, I got money that you don't blow. Oh, it's white folk money. I got white folk money that I don't blow. Yes. Got white folk money that you don't blow. So, here. Scoop, bass, bass, clap, pull, pull, rotate, hit, rotate, rotate, money, don't blow. Your next move is, and if you ask why, it's like the bounce again, but you're doing like a, I don't know what's going on. So you ask why, and then you step with your right foot, and then cross to your left. So if you ask why, cross, cross, don't. So as you're stepping with your right, you bring your left up, then you bring your right up, don't. And the very next move, after the cross, cross, don't, you're gonna scoop with your left and then lean toward that direction. So it's bass, hit, bass, hit. Step to your left again, left, right, left, roll it up, doom. I'll get back for that. So we just did bass, bass, right, bass, bass, left, right, left, roll it up, down. I'm like, love for this. So on that very last part, when you roll it up, because you went left, right, left, no, left, right, left, roll, left, no, left, right, left, roll it up, down. So the whole sequence, I'm just gonna do the whole chord from the top, from the tip top. All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Note up, down. Step, out, step, cross, scoop, base, base. Scoop, hit, step, 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 boom, grab. Rotate, rotate, money, don't blow. And if you ask why, because the white folks don't. Boom, hit, left, right, left. Roll it up, boom. And there you have it. Just read it as many times as you want. Please excuse me for being weird.